Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
शकल देखना है इसकी हायना की, ये हमेशा मुस्कुराता ही रहता है।
सर ये हायना कैसा नाम है? हायना
है क्या लेकिन
शर्ट गाँव पेंट भी
खाने गया होगा बेचारा।
शर्ट गाँव पेंट भी खाने गया होगा।
खाने गया होगा खाने।
सर मालूम पड़े सर बाथरूम में जा बाथरूम कोई भीड़ भी
आवाज़ रिकॉर्ड नहीं हो रही होगी इसकी।
ये बिल्ली मौसी को वही है हमारी जी, अपना पिंजरा ढूंढनी है।
अजय चमकांडे भैया
चिमकांडे
नहीं पागल छपरी भैया छपरी।
If you free, can we talk to you? Actually, we are the students. She is Mansi, my friend. I am Tanushka, and we are from English Ambience. And here we are to visit the zoo and talking to strangers. So, sir, what's your nice name?
My nice name is Son.
Good, good name, sir. Actually, we all are coming here to visit the zoo. My question was that, according to you, the animals that are preserved in zoos and wildlife sanctuaries, so according to you, it is good or bad?
According to me, it's okay. It is normal, but there is something need to improve.
Yes. So, what are the need to improve?
It may be, if possible, more animals may be kept more, and others cleaning off the areas.
Yes, of course. But sometimes in sanctuaries and zoos are also animals are died because of some reasons, because of bad health care system of that place. So, what do you think about that?
This area,
Yes.
this much I have no ideas.
Oh, in other places, if you visited there and you know about that place.
As compared to other place, there is need to improve a lot of the environments and others cleanliness of places.
Actually, the peoples are not very sensitive about the environment, because they only know to enjoy the life is only to spend the money in luxurious life. It's okay, but the people don't think about the we can say the environment. What do you think about that?
Environments, it's okay, but needs to be improved more.
Yes, people have to be aware about the what information you give to people about the environment to preserve that.
All should know about the cleanliness and also the support each others and keep the environments neat and clean.
Sir, it's a present from us for you. Thank you so much for giving your time. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, hello ma'am. Hello ma'am. Hello. I am Rishika Chopra and she is my friend Priyanka Patham.
I am Anushka Mazi and what?
Do you know English?
Yes, I know.
We are from English Ambience and here we are for English speaking practice.
Yes.
Ma'am, with your permission, could I have a minute to talk with you?
Yes, I am in it for you.
Okay, thank you ma'am. In which standard you are?
I am in 11th standard.
Yeah, so...
Ma'am, what's your name? My name is Anushka Maji.
In which school you studied?
I am studying in Sanchin Higher Secondary School.
How many percentage did you get in your 10th?
I get 84% in
Oh.
first division.
That's nice.
What do you want to be?
I become a bank manager.
Oh, that's great. So how do you find the zoo?
What is
Fine,
your
basically, a zoo.
experience of visiting zoo?
It's very great, and I'm feeling very happy because it's very great and filled with environment, and very many kinds of animal are there, and I see many kinds of animal, and also their security is very kindful and peaceful.
What subject did you take?
I take commerce plus computer in 11th class.
Okay. What is your favorite animal?
Panda.
Any childhood memory do you like to share with us?
Yes, I I have many memories, but the most
Which is your favorite one? Yeah, funniest memory. Do you like to share with us?
I tease Rishika in my school a lot with my friend Priyanka Batam, and she very famous and pretty girl in our school.
Oh, thank you.
Okay. So
From the above discussion, what do you find?
You are very good in English speaking.
Oh, thanks,
and,
ma'am.
Look, your personality is very good,
Yeah.
and you are very
Yeah, thank
attractive.
you.
Thank you. Thank you.
You can rate our English, please. Out of 10.
Out of 10, 9.
Oh, thanks.
Thank you, ma'am.
Can you speak? खड़क सिंह के खड़कने से खड़कती हैं खिड़कियाँ, खिड़कियों के खड़कने से खड़कता है खड़क सिंह।
खड़क सिंह के खड़कने से खड़कती हैं खिड़कियाँ, खिड़कियों से खड़कने से खड़कता है खड़क सिंह।
खड़क सिंह खड़कने से खड़कती है खिड़कियाँ, खिड़कियों से खड़कने से खड़कता है खड़क
You
सिंह।
already practiced this.
Yes. So we want to listen from your mouth.
खड़क सिंह के खड़कने से खड़कती हैं खिड़कियाँ, खिड़कियों के खड़कने से खड़कता है खड़क सिंह के खड़कने से खड़कती है खिड़कियाँ, खिड़कियों के खड़कने से खड़कता है खड़क सिंह के खड़कने से खड़कती है खिड़कियाँ, खिड़कियों के खड़कने से खड़कता है खड़क सिंह।
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you. So this is your present. Thank you, ma'am, for giving us your precious time.
I am very grateful to meet with you.
Okay, thank you. Same here. Nice to meet you. And Mansi Jain. We are from English Ambience and we are here for public English speaking practice.
Ma'am, may I know what's your good name?
My name is Preeti Sharma.
Oh, nice, good name.
Thank you.
Where do you live, ma'am?
I live in Railway Colony, Gwalior.
Yes. Where is it located?
It is in Gwalior only, near railway station.
Okay, thanks.
So what are you doing now in your studies?
Okay, I have graduated from Bhopal in BSc, and now I am going for bachelor's degree in fine arts.
So how was your experience for visiting the zoo?
I have entered right now only, and I'm going to explore it. Abhi dekhte hain. We'll see.
Okay. So who is your favorite animal?
Snakes. I love snakes
Okay. So
as they are very calm.
now from the above discussion, how will you rate us?
Okay, out of 10,
Yes.
maybe 6 or 7.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, still learning these days, so we just try to just make an activity out of it, like going to the zoo today and just ask the people and talk like in English.
Okay.
Okay. This is for you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. All
Thank
the
you.
best.
Thank you, sir.
A bit. Like we are from English Ambience. Do you know English?
हिंदी मराठी जो भी
Like we are practice कर रहे हैं English को, तो थोड़ा सा English में ही try कर रहे हैं.
अच्छा वो तो सब ठीक है पर थोड़ा लड़खड़ा जाऊंगा इसलिए
It's okay, it's very normal. We are also learning. सर हम भी learning कर रहे हैं.
नहीं तो फिलहाल हिंदी में ठीक रहेगा. यूट्यूब चैनल है क्या?
YouTube चैनल नहीं है सर. It's about हमारी कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट है, हमारे सर वहाँ पर है, तो हम लोग प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर इंग्लिश का, तो वो एक पब्लिक अप्रोचिंग एंड ऑल.
वो तो फिलहाल नहीं होगा अभी.
इट्स ओके सर. सर वैसे व्हाट डू यू डू सर? क्या करते हैं?
मैं फौजी हूँ.
ओके, दैट्स ग्रेट. सर आप यहीं पर रहते हैं ग्वालियर के?
ना तो महाराष्ट्र से.
महाराष्ट्र से. ओके सर, दैट्स रियली ग्रेट. मेरे जो दादाजी हैं वो फौजी से रिटायर्ड है सर. वी नो समथिंग अबाउट लाइक योर पोस्ट एंड
अभी लास्ट नाइट.
हाँ?
लास्ट नाइट.
लास्ट
Lance Naik rank.
Last night, okay. Sir, I think I have listened about there are some rifles like Rajputana rifles and rifles are there. So in which rifle you belong?
Mahan regiment. Mahan regiment.
Mahan regiment, okay.
अभी देखो जैसे कि महान रेजिमेंट हो गया, राजपूताना, मराठा राइफल्स, मराठा इन्फेंट्री, है ना। इस तरह के जो रेजिमेंट होते हैं तो इन रेजिमेंट से एक आर्मी बनी हुई है ना।
या
तो रेजिमेंटों में यूनिट होती है जैसे कि फर्स्ट यूनिट, फर्स्ट मार, सेकंड मार, इस तरह से।
या सर मेरे जो ग्रैंडफादर हैं वो राजपूताना राइफल्स से थे।
अच्छा।
सो यस सर। सो लाइक आप क्या फील करते हैं लाइक व्हेन यू आर जस्ट देयर, आप जब जॉब कर रहे होते हैं तो लाइक वहाँ का माहौल कैसा होता है, यहाँ का माहौल क्या है और वहाँ के माहौल कितना डिफरेंस रहता है?
अरे बहुत सारा ऐसे देखो, जैसे कि अभी पीस में अगर ड्यूटी होती है तो बेटर फील करते हैं, वैसे फील्ड में भी होती है तो बहुत बढ़िया फील करते हैं। तो अभी फील्ड में देखो जैसे कि जंगल के एरिया रहते हैं ना, तो जंगल के एरिया से अलावा इसके अलावा कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। और पीस में ऐसी ड्यूटी होती है कि जैसे पब्लिक में रहना होता है। तो हमारे ये बिग ब्रदर है, ये भी फौजी है, उनसे भी आप थोड़ी बहुत मुलाकात कर सकते हैं।
हेलो सर, सर दिस इज़ विशिश, मैं विशिश टू सर। हम अभी इंग्लिश एम्बियंस से हैं और पब्लिक अप्रोच कर रहे हैं। सो लाइक वी आर स्पेशली इंग्लिश में टॉक करना चाह रहे थे सर। इफ़ यू आर कंफर्टेबल इन इंग्लिश?
नहीं भाई,
हिंदी? ओके, इट्स ओके। सो सर, सर भी सेम राइफल रेजिमेंट से? महान रेजिमेंट, ओके सर, दैट्स ग्रेट। लाइक अभी आर्मी के मैं कुछ ज़्यादा थोड़ा सा इसमें हूँ। आप लोगों का फिगर बहुत अच्छा है, वेरी अट्रैक्टेड टू आर लाइक यू नो दिस स्ट्रेंथ। सो थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर गिविंग द टाइम। थैंक यू सर। सर व्हाट्स योर नेम? मेरी नो बात प्रवीण। ओके प्रवीण सर, थैंक यू सर। थैंक यू फॉर गिविंग टाइम। ये इनको डेयरी मिल्क सम्मानित की गई है। इन्होंने गधा मजदूरी की थी।
देखा था पक्षी और एक दूसरा पक्षी है, इसमें अंतर देखिए आप दोनों पक्षियों में। ये वो सुपर
सुंदरता जो मिलती है, सुंदर को पिकॉक सुना है ना, पिकॉक इज अ मेल, फीमेल इज अ फीमेल, फीमेल में अंदर कुछ नहीं है। अब जैसे जो बब्बर शेर होता है, लाइन बोलते हैं अपन, लाइन जो नर होगा, जो मेल होगा, उसके गले में बाल होंगे, सुंदर होगा। जो फीमेल होगी उसको कुछ नहीं होगा, बिल्कुल खाली। ऐसे ही ऑस्ट्रेज में, किसी भी बर्ड में, किसी भी एनिमल्स में अगर आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि विच एनिमल विच ब्रीड, तो आप सिंपल दैट है, अगर वो सुंदर है, अगर दोनों उनका पेयर है, वो सुंदर है, हरा भरा है, बाल ज़्यादा है, उसको ब्लैक ट्राउट है, तो वो मेल है। और ये सामने जो देख रहे हैं ये फीमेल है। और ये पीछे आप देखोगे ना, इसके अंदर है अपना स्लॉथ बियर, देसी भालू बोलते हैं। ज़्यादातर लोगों ने देखा होगा रिच बोलते हैं, इसी को बोलते हैं देसी भालू, स्लॉथ बियर, स्लॉथ बियर। भालू की 9 प्रजातियां हैं, इनमें से एक स्लॉथ बियर भी है। ये शाकाहारी मांसाहारी दोनों ही होते हैं। यहाँ चिड़ियाघर के अंदर कैप्टिविटी में हम लोग इनको क्या फ्रूट, वेजिटेबल, फ्रूट वगैरह और रोटियाँ देते हैं। और रोटियों में इनको देते हैं जो होता है हनी वेयर, पसंदीदा। और ज़्यादातर क्या है, ये जमीन के जो नीचे सिरे में तो दीमक खाना बहुत पसंद है उसको। अभी आप ध्यान से देखोगे तो नीचे की ओर देख रहे हैं।
He's from this zoo.
एग्रेसिव होता है, गुस्सेल स्वभाव का देसी जो भालू होता है। हमारे पास 2 प्रजातियां हैं भालू की, इसमें एक स्लॉथ बियर है, इसके पीछे है हिमालयन बियर, हिमालयन ब्लैक बियर, वो भी आपको दिखाएंगे बाद। ये सामने आपने देखा मैकाउ, तोते का सबसे बड़ी प्रजाति है मैकाउ। अफ्रीकन ऑस्ट्रेलियन,
हाँ सर।
ब्लू गोल्ड है हमारे पास, एक वाला भी है, और कपाची भी है जो वाइट है।
ये सब तोते की प्रजाति हैं, देख लो।
ये जो पैरेट की जो स्पीसीज होती है, सबसे बड़ा पैरेट इसी में होता है, मैकाउ। अगर इसको अगर सिखा लोग उसको पालते भी जाते हैं, पेट में लेते हैं। ककाटू है, ककाटू।
वो सामने जो दिख रहा है सब
वाइट वाला,
वाइट जो दिख रहा है उसका
वो वाइट वाला
जितनी प्रजाति होती है ना, जो प्रेवर्ट होती है, जैसे चील होती है, पैराकाइट होते हैं, तो वल्चर है, ईगल है, ये कुछ ऐसे बड़े पक्षी हैं, बिगेस्ट बर्ड हैं, जो मांसाहारी होते हैं। ये कार्निवोरस में आते हैं, मांसाहारी होते हैं, इनको मीट मांस खाना पसंद है। तो ये सब होते हैं शाकाहारी। ज़्यादातर क्या इनको वेजिटेबल फूड वगैरह हम लोग देते हैं। मुझे भी आपने देखा ना, ये ककाटू को हम लोग उनको ड्राई फ्रूट देते हैं, जैसे बादाम भी होता है, काजू भी होते हैं।
या ईमू
पहले आपके पास पहुंच चुकी है, ईमू है जो ऑस्ट्रेलियन है। कुछ यहाँ रखे हुए हैं, कुछ स्टार्टिंग में रखे हुए हैं।
This word, it's a pigeon, na? It's a pigeon.
हाँ pigeon.
It looks like pigeon. Again, इसको आपको नॉलेज रहेगी,
पता रहेगा सारा कितना क्या होता है, कितने अंडे देते हैं, क्या करता है।
ड्रोमियस नोवा
आगे चल के कहीं ना कहीं जी के आपके
सर वो कह रहे हैं साथ में चलो, किसी को क्रॉस क्वेश्चन करना हो तो आप कर सकते हैं।
आइए मैडम,
अगर किसी में डाउट हो, कोई क्वेश्चन हो तो आप पूछ सकते हैं बेझिझक।
किसी भी जानवर के बारे में, पक्षी के बारे में आप सबसे बड़ा अंडा
इधर आ जा बेटा, पहले इधर आ जा।
बताओ, आप बोलो। एक मिनट सभी लोग बस सुनिए जरा, साहब क्या कह रहे हैं।
आज हम लोग क्यों इकट्ठे हुए हैं? आज अपन सभी इसलिए इकट्ठे हुए हैं कि वन्य प्राणी सप्ताह चल रहा है, वन्य प्राणी संरक्षण सप्ताह। वन्य प्राणी संरक्षण सप्ताह हमारे पास जो जितने भी आसपास में वन्य प्राणी मिलते हैं उनकी हमें सुरक्षा करनी है। सुरक्षा के लिए ये हम लोग संकल्प ले रहे हैं कि आज के बाद, अभी तक तो जो हम सुरक्षा कर रहे थे और आगे भी करेंगे, और अपने आसपास के वातावरण में, जंगलों में, जहाँ भी हमें वन्य प्राणी मिलेंगे हम उनकी अच्छी तरह से सुरक्षा व्यवस्था करेंगे, देखेंगे उनके लिए। उनकी सुरक्षा के लिए हम लोग सब आज इकट्ठे हुए हैं और उनकी सुरक्षा की व्यवस्था के लिए। इसलिए आज के 1 अक्टूबर से लेकर अपने 7 अक्टूबर तक वन्य प्राणी संरक्षण सप्ताह चलता है। इसमें वन विभाग के द्वारा आप लोगों को जागरूक किया जा रहा है। यह जागरूकता के लिए आज ये प्रोग्राम रखा गया है और आप सभी लोगों को जागरूक करने वाली है। ठीक है, अब आप लोग जो भी यहाँ जानवर दिखाई दे रहे हैं उन जानवरों के बारे में अच्छे से समझें। समझने के बाद में आप जो भी कोई प्रश्न हो, जो हमारे जो साथी हैं, ये साथी आपको समझाएंगे। ठीक है,
अगर आपके पास नोटबुक है तो आप बाकायदा नाम भी नोट कर सकते हैं उसके बारे में, जो
साइन बोर्ड है
उसके बारे में पढ़ सकते हैं।
एनिमल्स के सामने एक साइन बोर्ड मिलेगा, उस तरीके से उसकी एनिमल्स की सारी इंफॉर्मेशन, कहाँ से वो है, किस चीज़ है, ये सब लिखा हुआ है। आप इसको पिक्चर ले सकते हैं, फोटो ले सकते हैं, साइन बोर्ड से एक साथ घूमेंगे। अगर ध्यान दोगे तो तापमान अधिक होगा तो सर्वाइव नहीं कर पाएंगे, तापमान नीचे डाउन होगा तो सर्वाइव नहीं कर पाएंगे। परफेक्टेड टेम्परेचर ओनली सर्वाइव फ्रॉम परफेक्ट टेम्परेचर। तो भी देख रहे हैं अंडे इनके जाएंगे ना, में जाएंगे तो वहाँ सही टेम्परेचर पे हैचिंग होगी। वो हैचिंग के दौरान ही बच्चे निकलेंगे, ओपन में खुले में नहीं होते। यानी पहले गड्ढा खोदेगा पीछे के पैरों से, उसमें एग देगा, वो गड्ढे को ढक देगा। इस तरीके से इनके एग में से हैचिंग होती है बच्चों। ठीक, और ज़्यादातर क्या है, नदी में रहना पसंद करते हैं, नदी तालाब।
Hello and very good evening to all of you. Today I'm discussing about the concept of the zoo it is good or it is bad. So here we have some students and they are divided and proportionate into two parts, and some of them they are favoring zoo culture is good, and some of them they are not in favor of the zoo culture because it is the torture on the animals and they have the various kind of thinking about it. So let's go and know from them what do they actually think about the culture of the zoo. Yes, what do you guys think? The culture of the zoo is good or bad?
The culture of the zoo is good because in the zoo there are most of animals and in the zoo there are most of staff. They care the animals. They give the food to animals. Animals like the most food. In the zoo staff they give the food to animals.
She believes that the culture of the zoo is fine because zoo is a perfect place for the animals to live. They can live comfortably there. What is your take, like living for the animal? Zoo is a nice place. They do not have to work hard to find their food. What do you think about it?
So it is not good because in zoo they do not provide enough space for living. Although they do not get the food they want to eat, they get nutritional food. But in forest they hunt the food and then they take. So it is good for them because they do some work to live, and for livelihood it is necessary to do work, find their food themselves and then take it. So zoos are not good for animals.
You mean to say that the zoos are making animal comfortable and lazy, so it is not good. Animals are meant to work hard and just run in the field. And according to her, like animals for their activeness and animals for running and going into the jungle and freely walking there and hunting. So like it is a very good place for the animals too, and this is the basic nature of the animals. What do you think?
According to me, that if we are talking about that they become lazy and they not do many works, and they eat on time because they do not need to work hard for their food. They do not need to hunt. But if we are talking about that zoo are big and small, it's not. Mostly zoo are big, but only in small city they are not big. But mostly zoo are big. They have enough space. Animal also can walk and.
So what is your take, like in the B grade town like Gwalior? It is not a metro city. It is not big. Area is congested. Do you find it is good to keep the animals here because this area is not so far and it is very congested? What do you think about it?
According to me, that I am also visiting this zoo, I think 5th or 6th time. Yes. I see that it's not too much big and too much small place for living. If animal want big place, this is not big and small. This is comfortable for them. Not they are providing enough space for them because Gwalior is not a big city. That's why they are providing those they can do. They are providing good food to them and good place to them. It is very full with nature. Also, those people are very lovers of animals. They can visit many kinds of animals, and also
Sanctuary Park.
Yes.
Alright, there is a problem related to the diet of the animals and the doubts regarding this. Whether animals like wild animals, tiger, leopard, lion, do they get the sufficient diet in the zoo, or is the management of the zoo is quite sincere to feed the animal in the proper way as they can feed themselves into the wild or the safari? What do you think, guys?
Zoo were made to bring wildlife closer to human. It gives a human a better up and closer view of them. In zoo we can see different types of animal, and many scientists can study different types of animal and do research also. And people zoo allow that children can learn many things through the zoo and learn practical knowledge about the animal, and people are also get knowledge on animal that they can learn behavior of animal, and many scientists also know to behavioral pattern of animal. And many people visiting zoo, and visiting zoo is a very nice thing, and it is a very good thing for you and your family to get connected to the nature.
Okay. Animals being used for the entertainment purpose, like it is a nice thing according to them, what they said, like animals for educating the children and for entertaining the people. Educations are for entertainment or for educating?
Sir, according to she said that children learn so many things, but it is not true because zoo send wrong messages to children. Children thought that animals are for their entertainment. We can keep in cages, but it is not true. Animals should be live in free space. We should provide them lots of space so they can live there. They can live freely. Wildlife sanctuaries are good because their animals are preserved. Those animals who are being extinct nowadays in wildlife sanctuaries, their species grow more so that they cannot extinct. Our future generation can see many animals by the wildlife sanctuaries because they save them.
Zoo culture is very good because zoo ticket is very cheap and much more gain knowledge for animals. Zoo have zoo healthcare center and many animals are health checkup every week and every zoo तो पिंजरे को क्या बोलते हैं केज हाँ केज every animal cage and every day neat and clean and give foods.
There is everything in the zoo, proper treatment and proper and comfortable food, but still the life of the animals are very short living in the zoo. What do you think?
Because cage area very small, but he walk freely everywhere, no fear.
What do you think? Yeah.
Sir, in Africa, elephant lives more than the elephants that kept in zoo. So animals, those who kept in zoos, they are live short life because they do not provide the space. So they live shorter life. Zoo also. Zoo culture is also a business nowadays. They cost very high to show the animals. So it is wrong. So it is bad.
Making the circus of the animals. Do you agree with this? Because when you collect money and you entertain people, keeping the animals and keeping their life in the danger. As like the guide explained us so many things, like some of the animals, they cannot tolerate the atmosphere where it is too noisy, so this is the disturbance. You cannot be tolerated, right, when you are kept in the cage itself. So why the animals?
So it's something like you are in your house with your parents and every facility is given there, but still you do not like that place and you don't want to live there because there is no freedom or something, that kind of feeling there. So this is one of the biggest problem. Like we say okay, there is every facility we are providing them, but the freedom is not provided, and which is the biggest thing. So we say after that, some of the points also rise, like we learn a lot from them. There is nothing we learn from them. It is like something we have read something from the book and just got it. Okay, there is something. These are this kind of people. These are this kind of the animals. They have this kind of the like a species and this and that. You okay, you got it, and day after tomorrow you will just forget that. So it's not any learning you are getting. Yes, you are just seeing that thing. Yeah, there is something. If you really want to understand and observe those people, those animals, just go to the forest and learn those things. And there are many of the we would say institutions are there. They are teaching about the animals, how they behave and everything. So just if you really want to know them, go there. Not these Jews. Jews are never gonna be telling you like what the real animals are, because there is a fake animals. These are not real animal. Real animal, if you see the real tiger, you will find out, okay, there is something. But here the tiger is not real. Tiger is like, oh my god, in a bad situation. It's a fake tiger.
So keeping the animals into the entertainment zone, what do you think about like playing with animals? Is it a right act of the nature? According to our Constitution of India, you have right to freedom, right? But animals, no any constitution, no any law is it applied there? Yes, what do you think?
I think the main benefit of zoo and aquarium include the conservation and education and research programs that are designed to preserve and protect the wild population of animals, as well as educate the people about the animals, that the problem they face them, and as a good zoo they will provide more care and protection to the animals, and they will also attend that a species going to extinct, they are also attention this type of thing. So I think zoo culture is good.
Zoo culture is good. What is your take about the Sanctuary Park? If you want to see the animals and collect the information about animals, as Vises said, like keeping the animal in the zoo, it is just like a murder sometime, like because the animal's life is so short there. So keeping the animals in the specific area in the Sanctuary Park, that can provide them long life and they can enjoy like the area was very broad there.
What so a good zoo in a provide to animals protection and care in the zoo.
Say something about animals. You visited the zoo and you saw many animals there, right? What did you find, like animals, they are happy to live in the particular area or the short area? What do you think?
According to me, animal live in zoo.
It is good. Living animals in the zoo is good. What do you learn when you come here? Do you learn anything when you come here? I'm sure you may have come so many times and visited the zoo many times. What did you learn? You just come here for the entertainment or to learn something looking at the animals?
We see the animal. We take the general knowledge. Okay.
She says for improving your GK, coming to zoo is better.
So if you have to improve your GK, then you Google anything.
Okay. Google is a better option when you want to improve your GK.
Yes, sir. Because I would like to compare animals to the human beings, because if you know, we know that if a human being is not get the personal space in his or her life, then he becomes frustrated very much. Similar as animals, they also want their personal space because they are also living creatures. So kept them into the zoos is not good, because as we know that sometimes they can't tolerate the peoples because of their unwanted activities. So kept them in zoos is not good.
Anyone? Yeah.
So people like to see animal babies. So zoo managers produce baby by synthetic methods. So to produce more babies, because people like that. So producing more. Sometimes the zoo have surplus species of animals. So they mostly kill them or they sold them to the people. So people who kept them in their house, which is legally banned, but many zoo managers do this thing. So I think it is bad.
Okay.
As she said, Google is the best option to learn about the animals. But according to me, we talk about the children. Children don't read the something about the animals. They can't get the knowledge through
Google. So it's a best option. We can come here with the childrens, and we can visit animals. So we teach the childrens, we teach our children about the animals. So they can easily get the knowledge about the animals because they see the animals.
Basically, you are trying to say that zoo is a place where parents can take their children to educate them about animals. But we see 80 to 90% of the population that goes to the couples and youngsters sitting here, right, and not learning anything, right? But the children are found very less. So is it an actual place considered to be a zoo or an amusement park? People come here for entertainment and you're talking about to educate them.
So, but we talk about the children, so it is the best place to we can teach about the animals, children's.
Okay, this zoo, as I believe that, and as far as I know about it, it is held and coordinated by the state government of India. Fine. So, like the charges of watching animals, 30 rupees, right? Do you think so? It is a fair price charged from the people?
No,
Anyone?
30 rupees
Yeah.
is very less.
Huh?
30 rupees is very less if you just talk about, because when anybody want to spend some time any place, so it's very easy task for them. Okay, and so they are not like the value they are giving and the value they are taking from that, and what we are just showing to the people is not good. Like 30 rupees is very less.
Okay.
So it should be more, because the value, if there is, first of all, there should not be zoo. But if there is zoo, then there should be the big price, because every single animal is like sacrificing their life, for whole of their life and their future generation, for some people who do not care about for the animals. They are using these vehicles and just killing the animals every day. If they are sacrificing this much, then there should be much money.
Most of the spaces which are found to be vacant here, right? You see many cages, there is no one, no animal. And what is your take in this? Most of the spaces which are clean, there is no animal.
According to me, that it's because of that they have no more kind species of animal. It's because of that.
Okay.
Also, they are not feeling good in sunshine. That's why they shifted them.
So means what you want to say that if you keep animal into the zoo, there should be a proper climatic condition or the temperature management for the animals. Fine, good. Culture of the zoo is ever going debate, where most of the people, most of us, we believe that keeping the animals into the zoo, it is a right thing, and most of us we think that like it is just the harassment of the animals there, and most of the time we find them snatching their freedom. So it is not good sometime, right? So like we have reached up to the conclusion about the zoo culture is good or bad. It is difficult to say that, but if animals they are taken into the zoo, they should be taken care properly, and it is the very, very big responsibility that goes to the handover of the management of any zoo. Thank you very much.